Hello guys, good morning. I just want to give an update about the sewing machine that I have purchased last month, June 22, and up to this day it's been 13 days, and the sewing machine is still working at maganda yung mga stitches na binibigay niya, although sometimes hindi ko alam kung bakit pag iniikot ko siya tapos iba ang lumalabas, like this stitch pattern number 6, minsan lumalabas siya kahit na nasa 11 or 12 siya. So minsan nagkakaroon ng konting glitch dito sa pattern dial niya, pero usually ang ginagamit ko is number 1 hanggang 4. Yun ang kadalasan ginagamit ko, and then zigzag stitch for my edging kasi wala akong serger. Yan. Unbranded siya, and ang tawag sa kanya is So Simple. Nabili ko siya 70% off, cash on delivery, and then free shipping siya. So natuwa naman ako kasi after 2 days I received the package. It's wrapped in a bubble wrap, and maganda yung pagkaka-package sa kanya. And then may makikita na kayo na sample ng stitch dito. So, and then dahil pinag-aralan ko muna siya for a couple of days, I don't need to tighten the tension dial here kasi so far okay naman yung tension niya. Mas gusto ko yung tight para maganda. And then also I found out na may drawer pala siya dito sa side. This one. So malalagay mo yung mga needle or ibang things na para hindi mo makalimutan. Yun. So yun lang. Sana tumagal siya ng years. But syempre hindi naman siguro siya katulad ng ibang talagang branded na pang heavy duty. Ang napansin ko lang, yung fabric na kailangan mo for this sewing machine is only light fabrics. Yung denim hindi niya kaya yung denim jeans, although tinry ko siya pero nagbe-bend yung needle niya. So ito, try ko muna yung tension dial if masusolusyonan, if na loosen up ko yung tension dial niya, kung uubra pa rin. But for now, I'm using light fabrics, and I'm sewing neck pillow right now. So good luck. I'm gonna show it later after I finish. Guys, my father went to a seminar, and look what he's got. It's a panty liner from the, he got it from the seminar he attended, and wow, it's magnetic, far infrared onion. This is crazy.